Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to our channel, where we turn dreams into reality. Today, we've got a game-changing topic that's going to revolutionize the way you think about money. Are you ready to discover the secrets of becoming a millionaire on a low salary? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of financial freedom. You see those people living the high life, driving fancy cars, and traveling to exotic destinations? Ever wonder how they got there? Well, it's not just luck. It's strategy, mindset, and some good old-fashioned hard work, the millionaire mindset. The first step to becoming a millionaire on a low salary is adopting the millionaire mindset. It's all about changing your beliefs and how you think about money. Think like a millionaire. Set clear financial goals, prioritize saving, and focus on wealth-building investments. Multiple income streams, ready to level up? It's time to explore multiple income streams. We'll reveal tried and true ways to make extra money, from side hustles to passive income. These are the secrets that can turn your small salary into a millionaire's fortune. Investment strategies. Now let's talk about the magic word, investments. We'll break down investment strategies that anyone can use, even on a tight budget. You'll learn how to make your money work for you. Persistence and patience. Remember, becoming a millionaire on a low salary is a marathon, not a sprint. We'll discuss the importance of persistence, patience, and staying committed to your financial goals, no matter what challenges come your way. But don't just take our word for it. We've got real-life success stories lined up. You'll hear from everyday people who transformed their lives from paycheck to living the millionaire dream. Their journeys will inspire you like never before. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to becoming a millionaire on a low salary. It's time to take control of your financial destiny, embrace the millionaire mindset, and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for tuning in today. Stay motivated, stay focused.